Ako, nagustuhan ko dito yung pag-aasikaso sa akin. Ramdam ko yung personalized service nung staff, nung nurse, and yung mga different departments. Ramdam ko talaga na na inaasikaso ko, na inaalalayan ako, and also the consultation na binigay ni doctor. It's really it's really honest, it's really constructive, na alam kong makakatulong sa akin in my wellness. Definitely, oo, lalo na, syempre, yung Medical City brand, it's a brand na talagang alam ng tao, na mapagkakatiwalaan. So yes, I will definitely recommend it, especially sa mga friends ko na based dito sa South Luzon. Thank you very much. Actually, before I went here, ramdam ko na rin yung pag-aalaga through the emails, to the text messages, the reminder. Na-appreciate ko yun na talagang may may added value, no? Lalo na sa akin na busy na tao. Yung mga ganon, I really appreciate it a lot. So, special shoutout nga pala kay Nurse Ara kasi siya talaga yung nag-guide sa akin mula kanina. And kay Dr. Del Rosario din for being really talaga honest and really open sa talagang yung mga kailangan kong gawin, yung kailangan kong i-improve, kailangan kong itigil, mga i-limit ko for me to really be well.
If you like this video, please follow our FB page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health videos.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell.